everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be packing up my Be Light in the wallflower print. I'm going to pack up for 2 kids and we're just running some errands and then probably going to stop by the splash pad. So I've not used this particular bag before. I have used Be Lights before, but not this particular one. I just got it last week. I don't always like the Be Light because I really dislike losing everything in there, and I find it quite hard to find stuff, especially if you throw stuff back in your bag in a hurry, and it kind of gets a mess in there. But what I love about this, that the interior is so nice and light that it is a bit easier to be able to find stuff in there. I will be packing this up with pouches today just because I find that works a bit better because I know what's in each pouch. So if I'm looking for something, I just grab the pouch that I need. Sometimes I don't always put stuff back into the pouches and end up throwing it in, so it does end up in a bit of a mess. But anyway, so I'm going to put some water bottles in the front. I have 2 little water bottles here. These are just from the dollar store. I really do like these ones. They're small. I can fit 5 of them in the fuel cell, which is really great. So those are in the front there. In this back zipper pocket, I've already thrown a few mummy things: hand cream, hair tie, and blistex. So I'm going to put a large set piece in the wallflower. This just has a change of clothes and a wet bag in there. I'm going to put that into the bottom of the bag there. And then I've also got the medium set piece, and this just has 2 little bathing suits in there so that we can get changed if we do stop by the splash pad. So I'm just going to put that in there as well. So those are down the bottom there. Over on the side of the bag, I'm going to put a little med kit. This is in Whimsical Watercolour, and I think these 2 prints look really cute together. The inside anyway, because they're almost like the same peach. It's like a peachy pink on both of them, and it looks kind of okay on the outside too. So this I'm actually going to put into the corner. I'll just put it in and I'll show you. There we go. So that's just in the corner there. I then have the Shoreline small set piece, and that just has charger stuff for my phone, which I'm going to put down into that corner. Hopefully you can see in there. I have a sunscreen that I will just pop down into the back there. Into the back corner there. And then I have the Y pouch in the donut print, and this also kind of looks cute in there. So I'm going to put that down behind that large set piece. And then all I have left to go in is the medium set piece in Shoreline, and that just has a few snacks for when we're at the park. I'll put that there, and then I have my Be Rich wallet in Rosy Cozy. So that's it all packed up. So I've put the stuff that I would maybe need first on the top here, like my wallet and the snacks, so I can easily grab them, and the other stuff we wouldn't need till later on. So there it is, all packed up. I will just zip it up. And you can add like a messenger strap on here. You can put some little D-rings, or just hook your strap onto these little things at the side if you want to carry it crossbody or over the shoulder. So there it is, all packed up. I'm kind of excited to use this because it is so pretty. And yeah, so if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.